To use your iHoy Captain Autopilot, start by plugging your iHoy Captain into a 12-volt socket. Then turn on the power switch. You will hear the power up tone, and the top LED will flash blue. Open the iHoy Captain app. iHoy Captain will automatically connect to your phone. Once connected, the top LED will turn solid blue, and you will hear the connection tone. To use the remote steering feature, tap the rudder icon. Lock your iHoy Captain device. To steer, tap and drag the wheel to port or starboard. Use the steering buttons in landscape mode. Or tap the tilt icon in the bottom right corner to activate tilt control. Then hold the lock icon and tilt your phone left or right to steer. To use the Autopilot feature, tap the Autopilot icon at the center of the menu. You must complete all calibration steps before using Autopilot. Set your course, then lock your iHoy Captain device. Tap the Auto button to activate Autopilot. To adjust your course, tap and drag the white circle on the screen. In landscape mode, use course adjustment buttons. To stop using the Autopilot, tap the Standby button and unlock your iHoy Captain device. To use the Path Following feature, tap the map icon. Select your route, then tap the Engage button. You can pause and resume path following as shown on the screen. To stop path following, tap the Stop button.